Minecraft. But I cannot touch the color. Color white. Wala namang color white dito sa Minecraft pa. Alright, so we can touch the color white and tignan nyo naman dito. Uy! Ay, wait. Anong color yan? Ay! Ano yan? Kulay white yan. Ganyan, no? Itagpa! May armadillo ako nakita, guys. Oh my gulay. May armadillo, guys. Ang pandak. Bumay. Uy, patay yung mata ng mga animals. Kailangan ko pa rin pala iwasan. All we gotta do is find a village and off the iron golem. First mission. Uy, ano yan? Hello! Ah! So let's find a village without touching chickens. My white. Oh my, no. Risky. No! Villager outpost. Okay, guys. So raw chicken, I just found its color pink. So if I hit the chicken. Ikaw, ha? Oh no, my feather! Wala, my feather! Ano ba yan? Woo! Okay, I'm technically not touching it. I just got it with a range. I'm not touching it. So I'm only touching the raw chicken. Wait, raw chicken made me poison. Nga pala! Saturation nga pala. Pag raw chicken, ano ba? Technically, I'm not touching it. There's proof and evidence if I edit the video. Oh my gulay, too much white. Ay, birch! No! I don't like birch. Pareho kami ni Kaman. Masyadong maputi. Oh my... Oh yeah, boy. Takbo! May skeleton! Pag nashoot ako ng araw nun, yung point ng araw kulay puti. Village acquired. This is color gray. Okay. Uy, emerald. We take that and bread. Everything. Kulay white naman yung iniiwasan ko eh. Yeah, boy. Do I have enough blocks to build up? Wait, I've gotta get prepared. Prepare. Kinakabahan ako, guys. Okay, na ako. Get the blocks! Noob! You are noob! Let's go! Sabi ko naman sinabi na pick up the iron kasi nga kulay white yun. So yeah! We win!